This is what I got off down in there. That, my friend, is a lesson well. And I found a dime and something else. But I would say clean it out 3 times a year. 4 at the max. And you won't have this problem right here. Taking long for your clothes to dry. And you wonder why it's taking so long. And you think it's a heating element. Yeah, the heating element will burn out eventually if it's not got no breathing air down in here. That's why you have a vent. Catch it, but it doesn't catch it all. So you see, that's why dryers burn up and they won't heat because they can't breathe, or they have to overheat because they're not being able to breathe. Alright, have a nice day.